Teacher can announce commonly as well share link, resources and files. The similar kind of option is active for students. By default, the same should be disabled, otherwise student may keep posting unnecessary on wall. So here I am going to show you how to create and post announcement. Go to your class, stream, here click share something with your class, select the class. As I have already one class created, that will appear here, all students, and detail what you are going to share. For example, I am going to share timetable of first week June month. As I have created one file as a timetable, the same I will upload right here. For that, go to add. You will find 4 options. Suppose you have uploaded that file on Google Drive, the same you want to upload. Select Google Drive. If there is a website link which is a outsource as an external link, in that case select link. Only link you have to enter. And if it is a file saved on your local drive in your computer, then select file. And if it is a YouTube link, you can share using this YouTube. So I have created a file which is stored on my local drive of computer. So file, you can drag and drop or going through by clicking here. I have already created. Timetable June first week. This will appear here and click to upload. Now the attachment is done. You can see the PDF file is attached, and you can click to post to send it immediately to the students. Beside post, two more options are there inside. Schedule, save draft. If you want to send this file on certain day and time, in that case you can select schedule option. And if you want to save this file for a further modification as a draft, you can use save draft. This will not post your file immediately. If you want to post immediately, click to post. So here I will click to post. This is it. The announcement is posted. The same kind of detail will appear on the wall of students. As earlier I told, the similar kind of option is active for the students. The same you can disable for the students so that they will not interrupt by posting their own content unnecessarily. So go to setting, which is called class setting, general tab. Here stream, click to drop down list. A option you will find only teachers can post or comment. So for announcement purpose you can select it, only you can post and share announcement with the students. If you want to allow them, you can simply select student can post and comment, and if you wish only student can use it, then you can select student can only comment. For my purpose, I will select only teachers can post or comment, and finally click to save button. I have already said that's why save button is disabled, but when you will be changing it, it will appear in blue color. You have to click on save button. So this option will not appear on the student's wall. Thank you.